We're huge Survivor fans, and we live in Utah. We're like one of the last states for the clues to come out to get the chance to find the hidden immunity idol in your state, and then you get entered into a drawing to attend the season 50 Survivor. So I got the final clue yesterday, and I'll insert what the clue said. There was like buffalo in a grayed out picture. It's kind of blurry, and then the clue came live yesterday, but it basically had the word cause. There's a causeway to get to an island on the Great Salt Lake, and the island's called Antelope Island, and so we know there's buffalo on the island. There's not really buffalo anywhere else in our state that I know of. Anyway, so we're headed that way to this state park. We are about a few hours in. You have from like 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. to get to the Antelope Island, and you'll be given more clues once you're there. We are a little bit worried. We heard that the lines could be really long, and we didn't realize that until we waited a couple hours into the time frame. We only have till 3 p.m. and it's currently like, what time is it? 1:14 p.m. So we're almost to the causeway. It's about 7 miles to get onto the island, and then once we get to the island, we're gonna have to get find more clues to find out where it's at. And then if we find it in the time frame before 3 p.m., we have to take a picture of ourselves with the idol and then submit it to Survivor website or to the challenge and to be entered into the drawing. So I would just freaking love to go to Survivor finale. I actually applied for Survivor and before, and just any part of this awesome show. We are down for a challenge and adventure today. It is February in Utah, and it's incredibly beautiful weather. It's like gonna be near 60 degrees today. We've had a really mild winter, and so we're gonna try to go on a hike also when we get to the island. It's been a while since we've been to the state park. We'll keep you posted. We just got another clue at the entrance for the state park. It says, enter the gates before you, but keep traveling in your vehicle. The lady's finger points the way to an overflow awaiting your arrival. And we just got a map here. Lady's Finger Campground. So here's the island. And we're driving all the way to the top of the island, and we will keep going. So we just arrived to the Lady Finger Point Trail, and we found this like note on this sign. It's pretty cute. They like tore it to make it look like an idol. It says, "No idol over here. Follow the line of cars." So cool. So we'll head that way. And there's a whole bunch of people looking, and they said that there is like a huge line of cars going up to the top of the mountain over here. I see that in the distance. And they're letting 5 cars up at a time. So we're still pursuing this. There's quite a long line of cars that I can see off in the distance, but we only have about an hour and a half left, so we're not sure if we are gonna be able to get to the top by 3 o'clock. We probably shouldn't have waited so long, but it's still fun to have this experience. Okay, we've come to a stop here. Not sure if this is where the line starts, but there's just like people everywhere.
See all the people going up? They're all walking up.
Yeah, people are like walking, which I'd be down for that. We should do that, Mark.
We may have to.
We're gonna probably have to park somewhere and walk, because otherwise we will not get to the top. I am down for that, totally. We came prepared to hike, so that's what we're gonna do. Mark, maybe we should just like park here. There's like literally cars everywhere.
Get a little closer if I can.
Time is of the essence, Mark. We gotta park. Rock on. So we just parked on the side of the road over here. And now we're just going to be walking up this hill. Instead of waiting in the long line, we're pretty determined. But I have to show you. There's like buffalo chips everywhere. We're walking up to the top of that hill. We're just walking across this like tundra-like pasture. Look. Buffalo chips. This is definitely making it more survivor feeling. It's like a total challenge, man. Climb to the top of the mountain. Can't just wait for hours in a line. We only have an hour and a half. We just talked to a guy and he said it took only like 25 minutes, so that's what we're doing. Got some buffalo right here. I'm not gonna get too close. It's not super safe, but there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 police, and here's the people that are walking up the hill.
Straight shot.
Okay, now we're starting to climb the hill. We're going transversely. There is the Great Salt Lake off in the distance. Getting close out. Okay, we made it to the top part here. Yeah. Yeah. We just parked on the side of the road.
That's good.
Did you go?
That crazy line.
Where's the line?
It's right at the deck. And they're getting ready. They said they're getting ready, but it took an hour.
Okay. So it looks like we have to get in line now. Here. Yeah, you're being recorded. Exactly. Dude, there's a survivor, dude. Hey!
Okay, party 2, right?
Yes.
Alright, so you'll wait in this line right here.
Yeah.
And they're gonna go get your photo taken at the end there. And take that photo and you both can submit the same photo, the QR code over here. There's no line for that. This whole big line over here is to meet Tyson.
Awesome, thank you.
Which you can or can do. You don't want to do it, you don't have to.
Awesome, thank you.
Okay, enjoy.
Maybe we do season 800.
Hi.
How you doing today?
Good.
Good.
It's so cool.
Right. Awesome. Let's scoot you this way. This way just a touch so we see Survivor logos. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
So much.
You're welcome. Don't wait in this line. Head straight to the QR code. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2. Step right up.
I'm now in the line to meet Tyson. Hopefully we'll get there before time's up. Pretty cool to have actual contestants. They said Nalia was here from season 2. She seriously was one of my favorites. She's from Utah originally. I've been watching this since season 1, so this is very surreal. Too bad I couldn't meet her. So we got our picture taken over with the idol, and now we have to scan this QR code. Okay. There's that line. So there is Tyson, Survivor winner here.
Go show her my seasons and then bring her back.
And we'll have to get a picture with him.
See ya. Hi, how are you? Great. Excited but nervous. Excited but nervous? I'm just
Recording. Sorry, one more time. This girl is wearing the cutest shirt. I love it. Where'd you get that?
My wife bought it for me, so
Nice.
probably Etsy.
Nice, cute. Okay, we're gonna meet Tyson from Utah.
I'll trade you for your phone.
Oh, sweet. Thank you.
Yeah.
You're so nice. Yeah. So we're next up. We just got a sticker.
Oh my gosh, my wife hated that hairstyle.
Sweetie, this is my favorite Survivor player of all time. Okay, so we're just blasting photos. Yep, exactly.
Okay, everybody, it's me, Tyson. We are just blasting photos now because we have to be out of here in 10 minutes. So I would love to stay more. I'm not the bad guy. He is. Nice to meet you.
You
Thanks
too.
for coming out.
Thanks.
Yes.
How you doing, man?
When I say this speech, but like it really depends on how fast this line moves. It's out of my control.
Tell them all to hurry up.
Yeah, that happens.
The guy from Survivor. What's his name? This guy? Do you know his name? Trevor or something?
Tyson.
That guy's Tyson too?
No, Tyson's the other guy.
Oh, so the employee from Survivor, we don't know, he just said that they're cutting off the line. It's like 20 minutes to 3. There's still like a really crazy line here. Let me flip the camera. It's like people are very hopeful in 20 minutes. I don't think they're gonna make it. You gotta get out of your cars and walk.
We're all over there.
So we actually rode our bikes on a moonlight ride one time all the way around this lake. And we're just trying to decide where that was at, but that was really fun. Now we're just like walking up to the very top of this little, I don't know, hill mountain. There's like a fantastic view of the Great Salt Lake from here. The water is like perfectly calm. And the other island is reflected in it. That was like a really fun experience. I'm glad we pushed through and did it. It's beautiful up here. It's called Buffalo Point, I believe. You can kind of see right there. I don't know if you can see the car line. It's quite long. We have to climb up to that top. That is where we were looking at the idol. On this patio, all the people are getting pictures with Tyson and getting a picture with the idol, and it's definitely wrapping up in the next few minutes. Headed back to our car. It was a really fun experience. What did you think?
I thought it was very cool, different, and an adventure.
Definitely adventure. Such a beautiful day too to do it. I mean, I'm hot. I have a jacket on because I don't want to carry it, but it's quite warm. I would say like it's at least 60
Yeah, for sure.
degrees. We have like no snow at all. I'm going to show you the mountains near here. Those are usually totally snow covered. There's a little bit at the top, but we have like not very much. My husband was telling me today, or Mark, that in the month of January, Florida got more snow than we did, which is laughable. That's hilarious. And we're going on a cruise next week, so it better not still be the case. It's been pretty cold. The last cruise I went on over Martin Luther King holiday was chilly. It is what it is. I still like to be on a cruise. The Utah weather is pretty nice. I think it's going to start snowing next week right as we head out. So hopefully our luck will turn. We've had really bad weather on a lot of our trips that we've taken lately, so gotta have some good weather. We're building a new visitor center with a 3D mammoth screen, so that will be nice once it's completed.
It's hard to say.
Here.
The main thing that I like is to get up on the really don't.
You want this one or this one? You can see.
That's a little bit elevation.
do that
where you can
one.
see the other side of the
Or
lake. So,
this one.
yeah, like I said though, I don't know how the traffic is because they're just closed to the park
Or this
headquarters.
one. Thank you so much. Have a good day.